Hi guys, it's Laura from Mad Mimi's Crochet and Farming, and today I have a Leither collection unboxing. So, are we ready to see what it is? It has been opened this way. Devil tore all of the paper apart, so I should just be able to open it up and we should be able to see it. So, let's try it and see how that works. I'm anxious to see what this looks like. Okay, so let me lift. There we go. Okay. Oh, no, maybe I do need to move it some. Well, I see some blue paper. Okay, so can you guys see? Am I gonna like it? Is it green? Hopefully it's orange. So what do you guys think? Let me know. I can't hear you. What are you guys saying? Okay. Time for me to look now. Alright, so here's the yarn. Ooh! Pretty! It is called Peacock Feathers. Let me put this box down. The little... this came off of it, but that's alright. Look at that. It does have some green and browns in it. But that is pretty. And it does look like peacock feathers. Wonder how this will work up. It is pretty. So let's see what it is. It is sock weight, 80% superwash merino, 20% natural bamboo, and there's 436 yards or 100 grams. So that is what it looks like. Let me put this back on. Okay. All right, so let's see what else is in the box. Here is the stitch marker. Like a little green pearl. That's pretty. Okay. And this is called the Peacock Collection. Look at that beautiful color right there. But yeah, look. The two go pretty well together. All right, so let's see. Oh man, the stitch markers, I could have gotten one of 10 colors, and of course the color I got, green. And this is the peacock. This is a solid peacock blue. Was for the cotton yarn. And it looks like they have a scarf pattern and a peacock headband. Okay. So, here is the scarf pattern. It's pretty cool looking. I don't like the tassels on it, but that's all right. I don't have to make tassels on it. And Here is the peacock headband pattern. I guess that's used with the cotton yarn. And here's a, I'll try to do this. And here's another picture of it. There we go. Alrighty. So let's see what the hook looks like. That's Yukon. Ooh, it's kind of pretty. It does have green in it, but it looks like a peacock feather. Blue and pink and brown. I mean pink, blue, purple, green, blue, purple, whatever. Green, blue, and brown. And kind of a purpley blue. It looks purpley blue. Alrighty. Very cool. If you are interested in getting the Leither box, it is a monthly subscription. They do have cotton, yarn, and they have a wool blend, or wool or a wool blend. I will put a link down below. It is a referral link. And if you guys use my referral link, I think for every 5th person that uses that link, I get a free box. I think that's how it works. So I'm putting my green stitch marker and everything back in the box. And there we go. That is some very, very pretty yarn. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Let me know what I should make. Home-wise, I'm not making scarves or wraps or shawls. I've been really into making things for the home right now, or some table runners that maybe can be used as a decoration in like a nursing home or something. It's kind of hard with this yarn to do that for the nursing home because it is wool, so I've been using other materials for those. So let me know what you think I should make out of this. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.